Hello and welcome to America Latina Story. In his reflections on the concept of global city, a city that contains a world within itself, French historian Fernand Braudel said of Brasilia that it was the ultimate wonder of the world and that it eclipsed all the others, along with Le Havre by Auguste Perret in France and Chandigarh by Le Corbusier in India. Brasilia was one of the three cities of the 20th century to be created entirely from scratch. At the origin of Brasilia, there is the political will of a man, that of President Juscelino Kubitschek, who decided to take up the old dream of the Brazilian Constitution of 1891 to found a capital far from the coast and the rivalries of its cities, and thus redistribute the wealth towards the interior of the country. President Kubitschek entrusted the project to two prime contractors invested with all the powers, the town planner Lucio Costa and the architect Oscar Niemeyer, both disciples of French architect Le Corbusier. Designed for 500,000 inhabitants, the city emerged from the desert in a little over 3 years with perfectly fulfilled specifications. It was inaugurated to great fanfare on April 21, 1960. Today it has 2,500,000 inhabitants. If the center has remained faithful to the original concept, the suburbs tend to reproduce the typical disorganization that one meets in the big cities of the South American continent. Brasilia was designed to be the streamlined administrative and institutional center of Brazil. To the detriment of the pedestrian, priority was given to the fluidity of traffic and vast open spaces. Thus, bridges, tunnels, interchanges, and one-way traffic lanes punctuate the urban fabric and make it possible to avoid crossings. The plan is gigantic, in the form of a large bird with outstretched wings. Yet, more than that of a city, it gives the impression of being the pretext for a succession of monument buildings artistically placed on a checkerboard, like in the works of painter Giorgio de Chirico. These monuments, of daring architecture for the times, are ministries, headquarters of official bodies, various palaces, including the presidential palace, without forgetting the cathedral. As for the inhabitants, they live in square residential blocks 240 meters wide, where blocks of flats line up like in all suburbs around the world. More than a global city, Brasilia is a monument city. Many of its spectacular buildings, presented as works of art, have become emblematic of a certain modern architecture, a victory of the human spirit and its reason over nature. Brasilia was the object during its construction of the works of famous photographers. Among the best known we find Lucien Hervé, a modernist photographer working mainly for the architectural press. Then, the Franco-Brazilian Marcel Gauthiereau, who, with 3,000 photographs, documented the construction of Brasilia. Also the Swiss mainstream press photographer René Bury, photographer of celebrities such as Picasso, and, more recently, in 1977, photographer Julius Schulman, who is said to have taken architectural photography from commercial to art status. Because of its exceptional character, the city of Brasilia and the way it has been visually represented allow a reflection on modernism. Indeed, if the audiovisual documents of the time offer a documentary and neutral vision of things at the moment of the city's construction, as in the two examples of which you will find the links below, the photos tend to freeze Brasilia in a moment when it was already dead, at the very moment of its birth. Unlike classicism, modernism does not fit into any tradition and does not allow any evolution. Beautiful architect model, Brasilia was conceived as an art object for a museum of modern art. It is now only the setting for this idea. It is said that the quality and power of a civilization can be measured by the capacity its ruins have to provoke imagination and dreams. Apart from the fact that the reinforced concrete used for its construction is not a noble material, it is difficult to fathom what kind of dreams, if any, the future ruins of Brasilia will inspire. Thank you for watching this program. Do not hesitate to subscribe to the channel. This is all for now. Goodbye.